Welcome to this video on epigenetics. Today, we're going to break down what epigenetics is, how it differs from genetics, and why it plays such an important role in your overall well-being. Epigenetics helps us understand how things like food, stress, sleep, and environment can influence the way our genes behave. It's a fascinating field that gives us a deeper look at how the body responds to the world around us. To comprehend epigenetics fully, we must first distinguish it from genetics, although they are intricately interconnected. Epigenetics constitutes a pivotal aspect of the science underpinning the information in the mapping reports. Thus, understanding its origins is paramount. The emergence of genetics as a distinct field is relatively recent. In 1990, the United States initiated the ambitious Human Genome Project, a monumental scientific endeavor aimed at decoding the human genome's physical and functional aspects. Led by Francis Collins and James Watson, this endeavor received substantial funding and gathered eminent geneticists worldwide. Their goal was to unravel the mysteries of human genetics within 15 years, with a staggering budget of $3.4 billion. Due to significant computational advances, this project generated so much interest that other scientists worldwide joined the project voluntarily. By the year 2000, just a decade into the project, a remarkable milestone was achieved as the first draft of the human genome was unveiled by British Prime Minister Tony Blair and United States President Bill Clinton. This groundbreaking achievement culminated in 2003 with the complete sequencing of the human genome, revealing approximately 24,800 genes. While it may seem surprising, humans possess so few genes, a fraction compared to the 50,000 genes found in a humble grain of rice. This apparent discrepancy led scientists to question the complexity of the human genome. However, they soon realized that the uniqueness of the human genome lay not in its gene count, but in its intricate functionality. Our genetic information, encapsulated within the genome, dictates various traits such as height, complexion, and hereditary characteristics. This genetic blueprint, known as the genotype, forms the foundation of our biological identity. However, the manifestation of these traits is not solely determined by genetic information. Rather, it is influenced by a myriad of factors. Genes operate as dynamic switches, capable of being activated or deactivated based on external cues. These cues, in the form of chemical modifications and protein interactions, regulate gene expression. Yet, the source of these regulatory chemicals is not limited to nutritional intake alone. Environmental factors play a pivotal role in shaping gene expression patterns. Interactions with radiation, chemicals, heavy metals, and other external stimuli impact gene activity, thereby influencing our physiological responses. Additionally, metabolic processes, such as those governed by the microbiome, and factors like sleep, immune function, and emotional state, intricately modulate gene expression. Collectively termed epigenetic factors, these external influences orchestrate a symphony of gene expression, sculpting our phenotype, the observable characteristics that define us. Recognizing the multifaceted nature of gene regulation, scientists have delved into the realm of epigenetics to unravel the intricate interplay between genetics and the environment. This intracellular modulation plays a profound role in shaping our biological traits and responses to external stimuli. Epigenetics, derived from the Greek epi meaning above, can be reflected as genetic expression. It explores how external factors, nutrition, environment, emotions, and metabolic status, interact with our genes to dictate our phenotype, or observable characteristics. Remarkably, studies suggest that up to 98% of our biology is influenced by these epigenetic factors, offering profound insights into our performance, through biological influences, and only 2% is currently considered to be completely genetically determined and inherited. Unlike traditional DNA tests focusing on genotype analysis, epigenetic mapping delves into personalized gene expression and patterns influenced by daily modulators such as nutrition, lifestyle, and environmental stimuli. While both DNA and epigenetic results are indispensable, they serve differing purposes, with DNA testing providing insights into inherited traits and ancestry, and epigenetic mapping offering a dynamic view of gene expression and cellular homeostasis. Every human being is genetically unique, despite the fact that we share the same DNA structure. 99.9% of the basic humanoid construction plan. Yet, the difference of the 0.1% is what gives each individual human such a variety of physical features and diversity of life forms. This uniqueness is found in our own epigenetic and homeostasis information system, and it is designated to be expressed and activated through the lifestyle we lead, the foods we consume, and the encounters with environmental factors. Genetic coding is part of the DNA phenomenon. However, gene expressions are largely influenced by environmental, nutritional input, toxins, emotions, and life circumstances. Epigenetics mapping reflects these influences, which can impact gene expression, meaning the sum of all influences after the genetically conception. In essence, genetics and epigenetics are inseparable facets of our biological makeup, offering unique insights into our wellness and homeostasis. As we delve deeper into this captivating field, we hope to embrace the evolving landscape of science and technology, where endless discoveries await for the benefits of humankind.